Hello, welcome to this demonstration by SERVPRO of North Irving. Today we'll talk about what to do if a sink overflows. First, we'll go over what usually causes sink overflow clogs. Next, we'll talk about how to clear a clog. Then we'll share tips about clog prevention. At the end, we'll talk about final steps. So what causes clogs? The sink is used every day, but we don't know it's clogged until it stops draining. Food, hair, small objects, and even grease buildup will block a drain. So what do you do when your sink backs up? Once you've turned the water off, let the sink slowly drain, or use a plunger to speed up the process. Once empty, pour about a cup of salt down the sink, then follow with several cups of boiling hot water. If that doesn't work, try putting a cup of baking soda down the drain, then follow by slowly pouring vinegar down the drain. Follow this with a boiling water rinse. Always use caution when using boiling water. If the clog persists, check your P-trap. Now for some tips on how to prevent drain clogs. Never pour grease down the drain. Use sink strainers to catch hair, food, or objects so they don't enter the drain. At SERVPRO, we are mold fighters. Remove as much water and moisture as possible. Here's what to do when there's a big watery mess on your hands. Use towels, mops, and scooping to remove as much excess water as possible. Open any doors or cabinets with the water entered. Fans and cross ventilation for drying. The goal is to have everything completely dry. If your sink overflows, flooding can cause a big mess. At SERVPRO, we're on call to help avoid any mold or mildew growth with a thorough cleanup. Contact us anytime, 24/7.